ever do this at the hair salon?
Yeah, but it don't be coming out looking like this. Oh my lord. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my.
There we go.
Ooh, child.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Taylor Show, back at it again with another video. Today's video is gonna be another episode of Taylor's Ratchet Hair Salon. I'm gonna be doing Jamani's hair like this. I'm getting it all this body and well, the curls are gone, but it was curled. But if you just want to see what happened, make sure you watch the rest of this video. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on your bell so you'll get notified every time I post a video.
Like a trip away, so I pray every morning. I don't never skip a day. My life a movie, to be honest, I'm a clip away. Want the water on my diamonds, I'm a drip away. And
She gon' tame the beast. Yeah, tame the beast. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be taming the beast. Have you used this before?
Use what?
No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I haven't. This is about to be a product review. How do you say this? Babeless?
Baby. Oh.
Babeless?
I don't know. Baby bliss. Yeah.
Babeless. The, oh, this is titanium. I'll actually scratch that. We're going to just use mine first. Titanium is not that good for your hair anyways.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, listen. I'm not a professional, so it's not going to be salon straight, but it's going to be straight. Aight.
Oh, Lord.
So what should we talk about in this video? Ooh, this is what we should do. Questions that need answers. But we're not going to answer the questions. We're just going to ask the questions. Like, for example, why are people racist? And then you ask a question.
What?
Go ahead, don't be shy. So I'm gonna start this off. And I'm gonna say, why are people racist? Questions that need answers.
Why is Donald Trump our president?
Ooh, great question. Why do people be so concerned about people they don't know?
Why are people idiots?
Good question.
Oh, don't burn me now.
Child, you ain't business.
I'm just saying. Do you need a rat tail comb?
No. You better hope I don't burn you.
I'm praying that you don't. Risky.
So obviously this video isn't going too well, so I am going to time lapse this video and we're gonna listen to our music and y'all just gonna see us just be us, okay? Hey guys, so Jamani's ends are bad, right? So we're not even gonna look at that part, but we got it all
They're not
straightened.
that bad, but they tragic.
Yeah. And we are going to curl her hair real quick so she can get some body, saran wrap it, and then we gonna hit the streets.
We gonna hit the streets. I like the streets.
So I'm about to spray this matte moisture on the ends. got 50,000 flat irons plugged up, y'all.
Turn the house down.
Shush.
Oh my goodness.
Let me pause this foolishness.
Oh Lord.
We are wrapping her hair
Oh my
with
goodness.
this saran wrap. I don't think I've ever did this before.
Oh my
On
Lord.
one of my clients.
Oh my goodness.
They're gonna be like, what is in the going on?
Oh my Lord.
What in the tornation?
No, seriously, what in the tarnation? You might as well just use the rest of the saran wrap.
Do they do this at the hair salon?
I mean, yeah, but it don't be coming out looking like this. Oh my Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my.
There we go.
Ooh, child. My eyebrows better come out silky.
Let me just fill this up.
Okay. Okay.
There we go.
Ooh, child.
That don't sound good.
Why I get the word do-rag? Ew. Oh, it smells like it's been used.
Yep, it has. Sorry.
You're not. What?
My hair's just dirty.
Yeah, that's what it smells like. Yeah.
It smells like butt.
You so nasty. My forehead break out, Taylor. I swear to God.
Oh!
Taylor.
Let us not use that one. Good thing your hair was covered. Let's find another one.
I'm gonna have a whole rash right here on my forehead. Taylor, what you got going on,
I
man?
haven't used this in a while.
If y'all could have just seen what you just did. What the? If I get a rash right here on my forehead, that sounds better, I guess.
Just don't worry about it. Hold this. Not gonna work.
It's not, but you know, hey.
Here we go, guys. We're about to take this out. Let's see. Wow.
Pray for me because I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all.
Ooh, it's flipping out like
Oh Lord.
what you call that show? The Grinch.
The Grinch.
Yeah.
So I look like a
Lady
who?
Lou.
Oh Lord.
Let's see. It's really smooth, but the curls are gone. I feel like they were never curls to begin with.
They weren't.
So this is the finished look.
Oh my goodness.
There's body and it feels really good. It's really soft and flowy. I might have to spray some stuff over here though, so yeah, let me just protect this. But this is how it turned out to be. Ooh,
What you just do?
I think I messed it up, but this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in to another Taylor's Ratchet Hair Salon. Anything you want to say?
It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So that's a good thing.
Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. See you later, guys.